My heart just got stuck between these loops.
Hey guys, so if you have a BMW F30 that's pre-LCI, it most likely came with halogen headlights, especially daytime running light and your night light. And if you want to change that to LEDs, I will show you how to do it. Alright guys, so as you know, I live in Washington and it's very dark and gloomy here. And I kind of jumped the gun and I actually did the project already. So these are the headlights or daytime running lights that you get out of your BMW F30. And I got my LEDs from IJDM Toys, and they look like these. And they are very bright, a lot brighter than the normal ones. And they look freaking small, very small. Like you can barely tell like it's there, like it's really ugly. And to take these out and replace it with LEDs, it's very simple. So you will open up your bonnet, just like this. You can come here, there's a lid right here, and there's instructions how to open it. So close, open, you just rotate it this way. This is the cap, just put that aside. And then as you can see from inside, there's two bulbs. The top one is for your high beams, which I didn't change to LEDs. I don't have a reason to anyway. And your running lights are down there. So it looks like these, right? That's your LED daytime running light and your high beams. And all the way up there is your parking light. Now, to take these out, just find the daytime running light plug. You just simply pull it out. There's no clip for it or anything, you just pull them out. Alright, and it looks like this. So if you still have the halogen, you just grab it by the base of the bulb, simply pull it out, and it will come out fairly easily. And for the LEDs, you just want to put it in and it will snap in. And then the way to put it back, you just find the hole for it, you just press it in, it clicks. Make sure it's all snug, and you should be good to go. Then to put the cap back on, you just need to reverse the process. Alright guys, so I got the lid on. I was putting it the wrong way. Alright guys, so that's how we changed the halogen headlights to LED for our daytime running light. Catch me on the next video for the update on this. Show you what the LED daytime running lights look like. It's flashing on video, but it's not really flashing in real life. That's just frames per second rating. But in reality, it's actually brighter than it looks. Look at that, guys. That is pretty nice. Yeah, so don't worry about the video. It's not really flashing in real life. And yeah, we will do this next on the next video. Hey guys, so we just finished the project from changing our halogen headlights to LEDs. And you will have to update these on beamer code. So to do that, you will need an OBD2 scanner, right? And then your beamer code app. Then I'll show you how to do that right now. Hey guys, so grab your OBD2 scanner. What I have is VPeak. And then it will go right here. Hey guys, so once we have completed the project, you will go into beamer code, right? And then access the beamer code app and you will log in as BMW F30, F80. This is going to be M3 on that too. And you click that and then it will load, and then go find front electronic module. It's going to be on the upper mid section, and then scroll down to a little lower half of the page, and then it will say daytime running light lamps. Click that, and then it should say bulb LEDs. Click LED because you just changed from halogen to LED, and then go back and then press code on the top right. Otherwise you will get warning signs on your car, and it's really annoying. And yeah, so you wouldn't get any warning signs after that. It may blink to check voltage, but that's about it. But if you're still having problems, type it in the comments and I will look for it in the forums for you, and we will do the night lights conversion from halogen to LEDs. I've already done it to LEDs because I live in Washington and it's rare that we get this much sunlight, to be honest. So yeah, in the next video we're gonna do that. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.